Hello there, and welcome to another Open Data Portal product tutorial. The Open Data Portal is a centralized platform that empowers users to discover and easily extract USPTO data in one place. In this video, we will go over the basics when it comes to the ODP's new Patent Trial and Appeals Board, or PTAB for short. In this video, we'll review how to search for a patent trial information on PTAB, how to view detailed information on a trial or appeal, and how to download trial and appeal data to your computer or application. We have a lot to cover, so let's begin. First, we'll navigate to the PTAB product by either clicking the link in its description on the home page or clicking the products dropdown in the top navigation and selecting PTAB. At the top of the page are the three categories of PTAB data: trials, appeals, and interferences. Both the tabs for appeals and interferences show a single table, while the trials tab has three sub-tabs within it: trial proceedings, trial decisions, and trial documents, each with their own individual table. To the right of the top main tabs, you'll see a toggle to activate a global search tool. Global Search allows you to search across all tabs and sub-tabs on the PTAB application. Just click the toggle to activate the search bar and enter your search into the parameters. Click the toggle again to remove the global search bar. Below that, and at the top of the search results table, is the table search bar. In this search bar, you can search for certain titles, terms, or specific data that a particular tab may contain. If you want to do a more advanced search within the tab, you can click the How Do I Improve My Search Results link. This provides a drop-down with search syntax instructions and examples. On the left of the table, you'll see a set of filters that you can use to customize the results in the table. These filters are specific to the tab that is active in the PTAB on your browser. As you add different filters, you'll see both the table contents update and the filter added to the filter section. You can remove a filter by clicking the X next to the individual filter in the filter section, or click Clear All Filters to clear all the applied filters and take the table back to its default state. If you want to see more data columns within the results table, click the Edit Columns button. Here you can customize the columns of data that you want to see within the table. You can exit the column modal by clicking the X at the top right of the modal. As you add more data attributes, the table scrolls farther to the right. In order to download the data shown within the table, you first check the rows you want to download. You can also click the top checkbox to select all the items within the table. You'll then click Download Table Data to pull up our download modal. In this modal, you can select what data attributes you'd like to download. These are the same attributes that are available within each tab's table. You can also select the file types you want to download, either a CSV, which is a plain text file, or JSON, which is a programming language. Once you've made your selections, you can download the data by clicking the download button at the bottom of the modal. You can exit the modal by clicking the X at the top right of the modal. Please note, we only allow a maximum of 3,000 downloads at once. If you are interested in pulling the same data shown in the table into your own application, you can click the API Query button to view the code necessary to pull the PTAB data from our servers. Please note, the Open Data Portal's API requires that you have an approved ODP API key. To learn how to set up a MyODP account, verify it using ID.me, and register for an ODP API key, please view our How to Get Your Open Data Portal API Key tutorial video. You can exit the API Query modal by clicking the X at the top right of the modal. To find more detailed information on a certain trial, appeal, or interference, you can either use their individual table search bar or the global search tool. In this case, I'll use the global search tool. Remember, this tool searches across all tabs and subtabs of PTAB data. For this search, I'm going to look up a common tech center identifier, 2800, and I'll hit search. As you can see, it searches or applies a global search filter of 2800 across all tables of PTAB information. Pretty neat. Once you find the trial you want more information about, click on its number in the table to pull up its detailed slide-out window. In the detailed slide-out window, we list a lot of PTAB data. With trials, we list things such as the trial status, the latest decision date, and the trial last modified date. In appeals, we list the decision outcome, who made that appeal, and the appeal information. And in interferences, we list data such as the senior party information, decision outcomes, and the style of interference. Each detail panel also offers tabs that contain other related datasets, such as the application's information, documents, and transactions associated with the PTAB data. You can expand the detailed slide-out window by clicking the expand icon at the top right. You can also jump between different tables using the previous and next button, and close the window by clicking the X at the top right of the window. If you want to include the PTAB detailed data into your own projects, you can download the JSON using the Download JSON button. You can pull the PTAB data from the API using the API Query button. In this modal, you can copy the code needed to pull this data using the ODP API. Remember, using the ODP API requires an ODP API key. We have instructions on how to get an ODP API key in our support pages and also in our How to Get Your Open Data Portal API Key video. To exit the API modal, just click the X at the top right of the modal. And that concludes this video on the PTAB product within the Open Data Portal. If you want more information on PTAB, you can visit the PTAB section of our FAQ page. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at data@uspto.gov.